Bruins unrestricted free agents, Tyler Bertuzzi. Here's the sixth feature on the 8 possible unrestricted free agents for the Boston Bruins and whether or not they will return to play with the Bruins in the 2023-24 regular season or beyond. After acquiring him at the 2023 NHL trade deadline and seeing him become a key part of their lineup, can the Boston Bruins bring back Tyler Bertuzzi? On March 3, the Boston Bruins acquired Tyler Bertuzzi from the Detroit Red Wings in exchange for a 2024 first-round pick, top 10 protected, and a 2025 fourth-round pick, with the Red Wings retaining 50% of Bertuzzi's salary. Bertuzzi made an instant impact on his Boston Bruins debut with an assist and finished the regular season with 4 goals on 12 assists in 21 regular season games. The 28-year-old, 6'1", 186-pound forward had 5 goals and 5 assists in the first 7 Stanley Cup playoff games of his career, tying Brad Marchand, 6A, for the team's lead in points, and Taylor Hall and David Pastrnak for leading the team in goals. Hello! If you are crazy for the Boston Bruins, already activate the notifications and subscribe to the channel, so when we post more videos, you will be notified and receive it firsthand. There is. And thank you for being here with us. There's no doubt that the Boston Bruins would love to lock Bertuzzi up for the long haul before he can hit the unrestricted free agent market on July 1st, but is that really feasible given the Bruins' salary restrictions? The Boston Bruins went all out at the NHL trade deadline on March 3, 2023, acquiring Bertuzzi from the Red Wings, and wing Garnet Hathaway and defenseman Dmitry Orlov from the Washington Capitals 8 days before that. As Bruins general manager Don Sweeney pointed out in his final availability to the media on May 9, he and team bosses knew it would be difficult to retain any of these players given the impending salary cap hell they're about to face. Entering. "I couldn't just categorically sign these players today," Sweeney said, when asked specifically about the 3 impending UFAs acquired on time. "You know, our boundary situation, we leveraged a little bit. Everyone knows our excess of $4.5 million. So, we have some constraints, as well as several other teams in the league. Our aim was to put the season in the absolute best squad we could assemble and try to have a legitimate run, and we failed, hands down." Sweeney is correct, and considering what Bertuzzi hit the UFA market in his prime, it's highly unlikely he'll return with the Bruins next season. AFP analysis saw Bertuzzi sign a 6-year contract with a salary cap of $5.2 million. If their projection is close to that, the Bruins will say goodbye to Tyler Bertuzzi.